Welcome CNG 213 to the summer directed study. Daniel and Lena, glad you guys signed up for the course. Um, when you start to click these links, they should take you out now. I saw one was broke, or they were broke. Um, they should take you out to the Cengage MindTap course now, so you can actually see our book and other materials. This is the place where we're going to be doing our reading, our quiz, the test, the final. Um, Not the project. I'll go into that a little bit later. But this area is basically our book. And if you click, I should say the platform that hosts everything, clicking this on the right side of the screen, the full book will actually bring up the reading material. You're able to make that widescreen. You can use the MindTap platform on a desktop like mine, the phone, the tablet, laptop, and it all. I know their mobile devices got a lot better functionality. They used to be horrible, but they did upgrade that part. To jump back a little bit, let's look at the content. Make sure to start with the getting started. Um, Look at the submodules under getting started, the syllabus. I don't, that schedule's outdated. I will have to reevaluate that schedule. I just kind of threw it in there as a placeholder though. I'll go fixing that. Um, the course by week, I have it laid out for, I kind of built the whole course for a 15-week course. I left in when I transported it over. I left in week 11, but we'll kind of condense week 11 with week 10. One thing I did leave out is for these last weeks, we'd be working on a project, a pretty substantial project. Decided to leave that out because it'd be a little bit too much trying to learn everything, then apply everything over the summer semester. Over a 15-week course, I think we could probably do this a lot easier. Have that project take up those 3 weeks, and then do some demonstrations on week 15. But let's jump into week one. Week one should be review TCP/IP configurations. This week should be cake for both of you guys. Um, Once again, just kind of bringing that in. Chapter one, when you go to read it in the book, once again, you guys are going to look at this and say, oh, yeah, I remember this. Cruise through this, but I want to point you guys to um, looking at specifically the IPv6 um, 1-4 and below. I really wanted you guys to hone in that part. Dual layer IP architecture. Um, really hone in on those parts below this because I don't think we covered it enough in some other courses. So make sure you look at that. That part will be the challenge for you, or I shouldn't say the challenge. That part will hopefully be the new material for you. Follow the week, how it's laid out. After the reading, you should jump to assignments. In the assignments, you jump to a lab simulation. Lab simulation will be like a hands-on plus a quiz. And then the lab, then just like our labs in the on campus, make sure to give yourself enough time when starting these labs. Um, Substantial time. So I'm talking about 4 credit class. You're in the class for an hour and 15 minutes. 50 minutes, 50. Make sure you kind of settle down and say, okay, if I'm doing this lab, I give myself an hour 50 minutes to attempt this lab. Once you're done with the assignments, you jump to slides. You can feel free to look over the slides, much like a lecture presentation review. You're going to be looking at crossword puzzle and flashcards. Then for every week, we're going to have a quiz. Click on the quiz to get it started. Now, to go back just a little bit more, in preparation for this class, you saw that our book was, or is, for the most part, the 741 MSCE book. Working towards the MSCA certification, we're the 7041s. CNG 212 would be the 740, and CNG 213 would be the 742. All those work towards getting each one of the courses earn you a certification for the exam you take, and then once you get all 3 exams, you're ready for the MCSA exam. I don't know if I said that right. You're prepared for the MCSA exam. So with that content, you're going to see in some weeks, and I'll point it out here, week 2, we're looking at Unit 2. Week 3, we're looking at Unit 2, but as you saw, the title changed, and it takes us out to, if I set this up right this time, was it the same book? 741. Maybe I clicked the wrong. Go back. You're going to see us jump around in books, so it's important that you guys do the Cengage Unlimited, because we're going to be bouncing around in the other books. Oops, I didn't set that up right. But we're going to jump around to other books and have that done. I'll finish setting this up after the video. But as you see, we're going to jump to another book that was the B part, and then farther on in weeks 5 and 6, we're jump to the C part. So it's important that you guys do have the Cengage Unlimited, at least for this semester, because we're going to be using all 3 books to get through this course and make sure that we're covering all the content seen here. Where's my tab? Seen here. And then since we are not doing the final project, I'm going to conduct an interview with both of you, not at the same time, but one at a time, to make sure that you guys can explain to me how the competencies 1 through 6 work. And we'll kind of conclude the class that way. That'll be kind of your final project grade, and then we'll kind of be done with the course. And once again, going back to the table of contents here, we do have 11 weeks shown, but remember, we're going to take week 11, throw it in week 10, just to make sure we cover everything. And you guys should be good to go. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll get back to you, and have a good start.